how to change the agent environment of your Codex desktop application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can quickly change the particular operation of the agent in your Codex desktop. So to do that, first go to the settings at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you will need to again click onto the settings button. Or alternatively, you can also press the control and the comma button. Now within the settings, click onto this general option and scroll down until you see this option, that is the agent environment. So from here you can choose where the agent runs on Windows. Simply click onto this drop down option, and from here you can either choose the Windows native or the Windows Subsystem for Linux. The Windows native run the agent directly in Windows, whereas the Windows Subsystem for Linux run the agent inside WSL. You also have this option of auto detect as well, but that is for language. So basically from here you have these two options, you can choose any one of them. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.